Welcome to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out this 1972 Olds Cutlass. This is a Cutlass S, so with the Cutlass S you have that, in my opinion, better looking style, more sporty look. The Cutlass S was a sportier option you get on the Cutlass. And good looking car, but the most impressive part about this particular Olds is the undercarriage, and the body's really solid too, but that undercarriage is just really impressed with when I looked underneath. Just super solid, original, painted in a light, high gloss black, just really sharp.
Like you said earlier, you just mentioned the body, the corners of the doors, front and rear, it just lines up really well. It's got 55,000 miles on the odometer. Not sure if that's original or if it's went through one time at 155, but a very, very clean car.
Like, see how clean this is underneath the hood? That's what the undercarriage is like on this Cutlass.
AC works. We charge that all up. That blows ice cold. Power steering, power brakes. Put a new battery in it. Just got this one all ready to go. So
this is the Olds 350 Rocket with a 4-barrel.
It's got a 10 Bolt Posi as well, and it's got 343 gears. So nice gears, should have some power. I think you drove this one when it first came in. I haven't had the opportunity yet.
Cutlass S hood.
Looks like the front bumper and the grill and stuff's all original. Looks good, but it is original, so it's got a little age to it.
And then just on some of this black, just some very light little chips on that black rubber there that goes around the bumper. Paint's got a great look. A wet sand and buff, I think, would do this wonders. It's just got
an orange peel
in it. Yep. And then some very small. Well, that one's about an inch long, but a couple small little rock chips. But underneath those chips, you can see bare metal, so it doesn't have a whole lot of coats of paint on it.
It's got like new tires and wheels on it. It's got a great look, great stance.
It does. Just some small little chips right there. Door fits excellent.
Yeah,
Hood
both
fits
doors
awesome
are
as well.
just nearly perfect.
Yeah, I like how that corner of the door fits. And that tells you about the body, and then the original interior. Probably just always been a good, solid car.
Almost looks like it's original paint in the door jambs. Looks like it's had one repaint is all.
Yeah,
door panels definitely look original to me. You can see that by all the fade down here in the bottom. Seats are in great shape. Carpet's in good shape. Dash pad is excellent as well.
It does have the center console. It's like upgraded radio.
That works.
Dash pad looks to be in good shape. Headliner is really nice and tight. Back package tray's got a couple 6x9s back there. Back seat's in excellent shape as well.
Windows go up and down great. The roof rail rubbers have been replaced, and so has the quarter window rubbers. Felts are good. Besides the orange peel, Dalton, the body and stuff, and it's got a great look. Body's super nice.
It does.
Got an amplifier in there, it looks like, with the speakers.
Trunk's good and solid.
Only real rust I've seen anywhere is right here. It's just got just a little bit of imperfection right there.
Look on the other side.
It's not bad on the inside. Just a little bit on the outside there. The seam's all good.
Back bumper looks like it could be original. Still is presentable. If you look up close, you can just kind of see its age a little bit. A couple little scuffs and tell it's not brand new, but definitely presentable. Trunk lid lines up good, just as all the other body panels. Back glass. And then you do have some rock chips there on that rear quarter. And make sure you, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, make sure you go to the website, check out the undercarriage photos. Corner of the door, again, factory seam there.
You can see it's the original door panel just because it's, you know, got an imperfection right there.
It's got a little wear on it. But the wood grain, the steering wheel, all that's really in beautiful shape. The lenses are crystal clear. Dash is nice. Let's see if I can show you that.
The seats are great too.
Undercarriage a little bit. But really solid, clean floors.
Should we take it for a spin?
Let's do it. Some light rock chips there on the driver's side door. The driver's side door fits excellent. Neat car.
Turnkey, right?
No.
There's
a button
push button on the floor. Starter on the floor. By the right, to the right of the gas pedal.
It's not in your video.
We can't show you everything. That's our secret.
The old 47 Chevy.
Like I said, AC blows cold. We don't need that today. It's a nice spring day, but not very warm.
Original steering wheel is in good shape. Just have a couple small little cracks. Horn works.
2 speed wipers, and they both work. 55,581 miles on the odometer.
Chocolate box.
Gas gauge works as well. Clock does not work. Nice 6x9s, nice radio, and that radio really looks nice in there too.
We have probably, right now in inventory, more Cutlasses than we've had at one time ever.
That's for sure.
What do we have, 4 or 5?
Yeah, we got one more coming in, the 72 454 coming in, and yeah, and one in our shop right now too, a 70.
Awesome.
Yeah, we got 5 of them. For a 350, man, no wonder why they call it a rocket.
Yeah.
Seriously, they're pretty fast. Here's your brakes. No pull left or right. Brakes are excellent. It's got a nice shifter in it too. I like the factory shifters.
Yes.
Great shift. Really nice solid tranny. That's 80 mile an hour. I don't know about your side, but it's super, super
Quiet. Yeah. Seals up very, very nice.
Speedometer works great. Look at the alignment.
The only thing it won't do is steer you around a curve.
It's perfect.
But yeah, front end's excellent.
Here's your high-speed brakes. I think they're drum brakes.
They are drum, yep.
Power drum, and
Power,
they work
power.
great. Guys went through them all just like they always do. Shift into second at 50, pushing 70.
This thing's quick, and
It's a nice car.
Yeah. Drives awesome.
Really does.
There.
The only thing I noticed
Great
is the steering wheel is slightly, the alignment's perfect.
It's
The
off
steering
center.
wheel's slightly cocked to this side over here, but
It's on the road nice and straight.
oh yeah.
Neat car. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next test drive.